Chijo Taiko Precision Parts Company Limited, established in 2016, is dedicated to the manufacture and sales of all kinds of sliding bearings and pins products. We have developed a full range of products, including composite self-lubricating bushings, bimetal bushings, wrapped bronze bushings, steel bushings, brass bushings, spherical plane bearings, oil-sintered bushings, filament wound bushings, excavator pins, bucket pins, etc. We have complete in-house research and development, production, testing, and marketing capabilities. We can produce in accordance with the international standards or customize according to the customer's drawings or original samples. Our production and technical teams always adhere to the concept of quality first, strictly control the product quality from the source to the end, and ensure that the raw materials, production processes, product appearance, and also packaging meet customer requirements and are competitive in the market. Our sales team is always oriented to the needs of customers, providing customers with timely, effective, and professional service levels. Our products enjoy a good reputation in many counties of Europe, America, Asia, Oceania, and Africa for both OEM customers and distributors. Our bushings and pins are widely used in construction machinery, agricultural machinery, auto parts, etc. TECO is committed to becoming a global trade service provider, continuously satisfying the increasingly diverse needs of customers and helping customers to create value with profession and integrity. We hope we could have a chance to be your partner in China.